This is the Advanced Financial Reporting and Analysis of 28th November 2019. And the first question was a theoretical question. Required, explain the steps that are followed in the process of setting international financial reporting standard. The second question, that is part B of the first question, was also a theoretical question. Required, summarize 5 reasons why reporting entities would prefer to adopt IFRSs. Roman 2, identify 5 challenges that reporting entities are likely to encounter while implementing IFRSs. Part C, theoretical question also. Required, explain the objective of integrated reporting, IR. Question 2, Part A was also a theoretical question. Required in the context of the International Accounting Standard IAS 21, explain the treatment of exchange differences, gain losses arising on translation, clearly distinguishing the treatment in individual entities' financial statement and in the consolidated financial statement. Part B, this was a question on group accounting, especially the foreign group. Then question 3, part A was a theoretical question, part B required impairment losses, how to calculate them. Then part C required the amount to be recognized in the income statement as an expense for each of the 5 years and the liability to be recognized in statement of financial position as at that 1st December for each year. So this was a question on employees benefit. Then question 4 was a question on cash flow, on group cash flow. And then question 5, part, part A, you are going to calculate the EPS, and part B, also the EPS. Part A is for 2018 and part B for 2019. Then part B, so this was Roman 2, this is Roman 1, Roman 2. Then part B, they required the relevant temporary differences and general entry to record changes in deferred tax liability. So this is a question on deferred tax. Let us go directly to the answers. So this is the answer to part A of question 1. Then we have part B, Roman 1, then Roman 2, then we have part C, then we go to question 2, Roman A, then we go to the consolidated statement of financial position. This is part B, and this one have workings as follows. That is working 1, working 2, working 3, working 4, working 5, working 6, working 7. Then question 3, part A. Then we have part B, Roman 1 and Roman 2. And then we have part C, and we continue. So that is part C. Then we have question 4, the consolidated statement of cash flow from a organic group. So to continue up to the next page like that. Then we have the workings, working 1, working 2, working 3, working 4, working 5, working 6, working 7, working up to working 8. Working 8 is the final working. of that question on group cash flow. Then we go to question 5, basic EPS for 2018 and also the basic EPS for 2019. Then we have the relevant temporary differences. Those are the relevant temporary differences. Remember, the temporary differences is the carrying amount minus the tax base of an asset or liability. And then we have some workings for those for that relevant temporary differences. And then we have the journal entry to record the deferred tax liability. So that is it for this paper, and if you want a combined PDF, you can download it in the comment section below.